I have a phone and I usually just lay it down on the dashboard when I get in the car. I don't touch it till I get out of the car. If you want to use your phone, the GPS, and have hands-free use and hang it on the windshield, please check your ordinance, state laws. On certain cars, this may and may not work. For this car, it has a radar on the windshield by the rear view mirror, and it's going to be quite difficult, but I made mine work for this car. Let me show you what you're going to get and how to assemble this, because it comes in parts. This is the gimbal arm. Let's take a nice close-up look. You may not notice it at the beginning, but over here is a button. It extends the arm and retracts the arm, and it locks into place by increments, gears. And that is interesting indeed. If we have a center screen and it's blocking the view, and that's why you want to lift it up. This is the phone cradle. It opens up nice and wide. I have an iPhone 12 and it's going to fit. You have a socket that goes on. You take these two pieces, you snap them together, and you tighten this up so that it doesn't move. You want to make it stiffer or looser, all up to you. This is a gear back here. You have a thumb bolt, and it goes on like so to the back of the unit. It's going to take a little time to screw this on. These arms, all three, they extend. So depending on the height and your unit, that'll lock into your windshield. You adjust it by the back thumb bolt. And the reason why I'm showing you this now, so you can get an idea of how this unit works. I'm going to place this on my rear view mirror and show you what it looks like. This is my radar. It interferes with my mirror. I do my best to extend my arms. I slide it over and I lock it into place. Definitely a much better fit. And there you go. When I don't want to use it, it comes off real easy. I hope this product may be right for you. A windshield mount. Very easy and very simple indeed. I hope you enjoy your product.